Hello everyone, welcome to the first DIY video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make a front mud guard, which is very easy, very cheap, and trust me on this one, it's the best. I've been using it since a very long time, so let's go ahead and make it. So in order to make this mud guard, you first need this print, which I downloaded it from the global GMBN website. This is not my PDF. I did not create this. This is created by GMBN. You must see here this GMBN. So yeah, the credit goes to those guys. So you could go link down in the description, just tap on the link and it'll just download it on your phone in the pre-PDF format, and you can print this one. And the second is you might need this stick file if you're a student, so this might be lying around in your home. And if you're not a student, then you might get this for a pretty cheap price, that is 10 rupees. It cost me 10 rupees, might cost 20, which is also not very expensive. And a tape, a black tape. I used black, so you could use any tape of any color, red, yellow, green. Yeah, so let's go ahead and make one. Okay, so let's start making. If you are a mountain biker, this mudguard seems to be pretty, very essential, especially on wet roads or on trails. If you don't have this mudguard, you get a lot of splatters on your face. So yeah, I've done this, stuck this paper on the file, and it is very simple to, it's a transparent file, so you could very simple to draw the layout. It's very simple. So instead of a bottle, this file seems to be very fragile, but don't worry, after putting on the tape it'll pretty much come to a good form. And okay, let's start making the outer frame. And after making this frame, make sure you also make the holes, 8 holes. We've got the shape, so let's cut it out. Okay, so the shape is made. So this is our frame. This is our mud guard. This is going to your suspension probably, like this. So we've got the hole markings. Now let's make the hole. So how do you make the holes? If you have those hole punching machines, that would be pretty easy. But if you do not have hole punching machines, well, you could use one of these incense sticks, like I am doing right here. And this will drill a pretty much decent hole into your plastic thing. So okay, even the holes are done. So now you just have to tape it. Okay, putting on the sellotape part is over, so just need to give it a finishing touch now. Alright, so this is pretty much done. So looks pretty good actually. This is the side that is going to face down, and this is how it is going to be mounted on your bicycles. So I've already installed one in my bicycle, so yeah, on these holes you might need to now pinch it. Alright, so this mudguard is ready to be installed. Doesn't look bad, right? So let's go and install this thing. Okay, so mounting on this mudguard, I've just made my bike, kept my bike upside down because it's easy to take out the wheels, but this is not necessary. You do not need to take your wheels if you could do this anyway. So yeah, this is your mudguard. It'll stay right here. It has got one. You need four. If you have a zip tie, that would be much more convenient to just tie it around 1, 2, 3, and then in 4 spots, because we have 8 holes in total. So alright, instead of that, what I have done is I have already pre-installed this mudguard with 4 rubber bands. I do not have a zip tie, so yeah, I have used rubber bands. You can see right here. So yeah, tie it on the inside so it doesn't look shabby on the it doesn't show on the outside. So yeah, this is one rubber band. The second one goes like this, just around your suspension fork, and then third and fourth on this thing right here. So yeah, pretty much your work will be done. Alright, so now you might just want to go ahead and then do it yourself. Alright, make sure to check the link down in the description for the mudguard frame, and then yeah, give it a like, comment down below, and share if you find this video very useful. Thank you. Until next time.